it started about a day and a half ago, and you know, it kept rising until about this morning. Really, it was even raining this morning a little bit. I love the rain. I feel kind of sad for some of the neighbors around here, though, you know, because they're having a hard time with their property.